जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाये तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Ms. Shivani Patnaik, the dutiful administrative supervisor and the first officer of NCC Army, Shri Varada Prasad Paikarai, the diligent supervisors of the primary club, Mrs. Sucharita Das and Mrs. Smita Mahanti. I would like to extend my heartfelt regards to the dignitaries to join us. So please request Ma'am Sandhya Jaina, the principal of the school, to present the welcome address.
Thank you, Pushpanjali Madam. A very good morning to everyone who has gathered here. Our chief guest of this occasion and esteemed chairman of the school, Shri Raghunath Mishra, Vice Principal Madam Pallavi Mahapatra, Administrative Supervisors Mr. Varada Prasad Paikarai and Mrs. Shivani Patnaik, Supervisors Madam Smita Mahanti and Mrs. Sucharita Das, and all my colleagues who are present here, and office staff people also. Welcome to this Independence Day celebration in the school campus. I would like to take the privilege of welcoming our chairman sir specially once again. Sir, welcome to this August gathering, and you being the chief guest, this is an honor for us because we have a lot to learn from you, and I have seen from the meetings that we have been having, online meetings, the words of wisdom, the advice that you have given us so far, it is really praiseworthy and it is an asset for us. We will truly try to carry that forward. But now coming to the 75th Independence Day celebration. We all know it is the 75th Independence Day, and as per the government guidelines, we are supposed to celebrate this on a smaller scale. Gatherings not allowed. You've all seen the government guidelines, and as per the guidelines, only about 10 people should be there. Last year also we had the same celebration, same time, same tone. This year also, we were hoping that the teachers would be here this time. We would all be able to celebrate because we are having class 10 and 12 students also. But unfortunately, that is not to be. And I hope next year there will be a gathering. Now, this is a very, very important day for us all Indians. It is a day to remember the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. They made the sacrifice for this independence that we are enjoying today. They made the sacrifice for the future of the country. So let that not go in vain. Now we all being in the educational system, being teachers and somehow related to the educational system, I think it is our prime responsibility that we, in a small way, should try to imbibe the spirit of freedom in the children, freedom of belief, freedom of expression, freedom of thought and freedom of faith. And I think we teachers have a big role to play in that, because these children are like clay. We keep saying that they are like clay. We are trying to mold them. So what they think, how they grow, what they perceive and what they do later on in life largely depends upon what we feed them mentally, particularly. So I request that all of us should conduct ourselves well, and we should see to it that whatever our forefathers, whatever the freedom fighters they dreamt of, let us see that we get that India. Because today I don't think so we are free in the real sense. Physically, yes, from the British clutches we are free, but we are still a long way to go. So like Rabindranath Tagore had said, let my country awake, where the mind is without fear, where the head is held high, into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. I end with this, Vande Mataram and Jai Hind.
Sir, to give his words words for the gathering and to address the gathering. Thank you, sir.
A very good morning and warm greetings to all of you present here. Respected Madam Principal, respected Madam Vice Principal, respected the coordinator, chief coordinator, supervisors, and all those who are present from the academic side. This is a very important day for any Indian. The freedom fighters have given us the freedom, the independence, and everything we have today because of the sacrifice of the freedom fighters. They are led by Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Abdul Kalam, then the entire Constituent Assembly members who have given the Constitution. They are Sri Rajgopalachari, Sri J.B. Bhavini, Govind Ballabh Pant, and so many others to name. The name of 3% or 300% is not possible, but I pay my regards, pay my respects to all of them who have given this valuable gift to us, which we are enjoying today. That is the 75th Independence Day we are observing. The Government of India has decided to observe it as Amrita Mahotsav. Amrita Mahotsav, it will take about 1 year. This Mahotsav will guide the entire nation, the entire population of the country, say about 135 crores and more. Those who have got the independence. The sacrifice of these persons cannot be described in any language, and my tributes to them on this auspicious day for their gift to the nation. As you know, we passed through a very difficult time, which is the pandemic 2019. Fortunately for us, we have survived. We have lost so many dear friends, so many persons who are so dear to us. Some have lost fathers, some mothers, some brothers, and even the kids that have gone. But we have survived, and we will have to survive to make the country strong. It is difficult to say that everything has gone well, but the Tokyo Olympics has brought some light. You see, during the last 120 years, we have not been able to amass so many medals. Though the number considered with other countries is small, but distantly it is for us the game. So we must respect the spokespersons, and I will say that our students should be well equipped with studies and also sports. On this happy occasion, I will request the teachers who have sacrificed their lot in imparting this online education, offline education, which has become the order of the day, and our school has done very well with the support, encouragement, labor, and constant yearning for learning of our teachers, able teachers. They have done wonderful work. I pay my regard to them on this happy occasion. So also to all those who have contributed a lot, that is our dear parents who have so willingly cooperated in all the activities, because the three periods are the parents, the teachers, and the management. They have done their respective duties, but the unparalleled service is for the teachers only. That is why my respect, regards, tribute to them. On this happy occasion, let us take the pledge to rededicate ourselves to the noble cause of education, to the noble cause of social service, to the noble cause of brotherhood and also the social causes which are pressing in nature. Now, we don't know what will have happened tomorrow, but if we fight together, if we join our hands, any difficulty may be overcome and must be overcome by our labor, by our determination, by our sympathy, by our consideration. So, I would request you all, wherever you are, and howsoever condition you are, you should always think of this great institution which has not only given you job, it has given you guidance, it has given you encouragement, participation, it has given you whatever is good for the health of the society. So, wherever you are, please remember that this is the school, this is the institution, this is the alma mater of many which has given for years, for decades, knowledge, wisdom, experience, and work done. So, on this occasion, I will request you not only remember the country, but also the city where you are living, the institution where you are working, and the institution which will definitely someday mold your students, become the able citizens, become the rightful citizens of this great country which has got great tradition and which will continue to guide every Indian at every step. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you again. I will request you to stay safe, keep the family safe, and to take care of the children who are so dear to us, give them good food, hygiene, and all other facilities which are required for good education. I will again thank the teachers who have contributed a lot, sacrificed many things, and after even they have gone without their pay, they were used to get every month once only, but they cooperated with us and took their salary twice a month. Nothing will substitute this sacrifice. So I again thank them. I again thank you all the employees who have worked in the school, and always remember that independence has come for nothing. It has come with several duties, that is fundamental duties which has been enshrined in our Constitution, Article 51A, and do your duty that is best given to God the rest. Thank you, gentlemen. Again, I will not take much of your time. I am grateful that you have invited me. Thank you very much.
Let me tell you one thing. No one is perfect, but we all have to be perfect. Yes, today we feel proud to be Indians because we have everything. We have indigenous knowledge, we have scientific temperament, innovative spirit, we have all the potential, and we have, of course, the power to be one. Now, today on this special occasion, let us take the responsibility, being the educators or the teachers, to inculcate this zeal and enthusiasm among our students to be one, to be great, to feel proud of their nation, India. On this note, let me extend my gratefulness to our chief guest, Srijukta Raghunath Mishra, for his gracious presence and sharing of his extensive knowledge. Thank you very much, sir. We are always inspired and motivated by your words. Keep blessing us. Thank you, sir. Principal, administrative supervisors, staff members, especially physical education, art and music department staff members, you all are the key to the success of today's event. You were there from the beginning, from planning to execution of today's program. Thank you all for your cooperation. Thank you all the office staff members for your support and cooperation. Thanks to the essential staff for your support. Thank you all who all are directly or indirectly associated with today's event. Thank you Madam Puspanjali. At the last moment I have given her the responsibility. Thank you. And thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Kaminara.
भारत माता को 3 बार हर्षध्वनि देंगे। कौमी नारा जय हिंद, कौमी नारा जय हिंद, कौमी नारा जय हिंद।
Thank you.
बेसरा
Thank you, sir.